I'm gonna regret it, I know, guys. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I thought of doing a makeup challenge. So basically we do makeup according to a certain series, like first we do primer, then foundation, then etc. But I thought of doing a makeup in alphabetical order. I know for sure that it would be a disaster at the end, but it's just a fun video, so I thought of doing some fun with makeup. So yeah, without wasting any time, let's get on to the video. Okay, so let's start. So I have already written the sequence right here. So the first one is blush. Okay, so blush है फाउंडेशन के नीचे, तो दिखेगा तो नहीं इतने अच्छे से, बट स्टिल कर लेते हैं. So I'm thinking of applying a little bit more. हाँ काफ़ी होगा. I don't want to look that clown face. So I'm just going to tap this. So I've already prepped my skin, that is I have done my skincare before starting my makeup. It is really important to do your skincare before and after makeup, so don't skip it, guys. See, smile, 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 smile. I'll apply a little bit more here. It's not enough, just a little bit more. So my cheeks are done. Now I'm going to be using a concealer as according to that list. So I'm going to be using this Swiss Beauty concealer on my eyelid and all the areas I like to conceal, like the bridge of my nose, forehead, cupid's bow, and some on my chin. Look how beautiful I look. I forgot to conceal under my eyes, so I'm not going to take a lot of product, just a little bit. I also have a blush here, so I'm being very careful. I literally look like a clown. Just a little bit, because I don't have dark circles under my eyes, so yeah, I don't need a lot of concealer. Yes, yeah. Under eye looks good. It looks very bright. Tap tap tap, and it's done. So the next on the list is eyebrows. Let me just quickly do my eyebrows. Make very small strokes while doing your eyebrows. See, I did a mistake right here. I will be concealing this, and I'm gonna be back. So guys, eyebrows are also done. They look nice. I look like a clown, yeah, whatever. So next is eyeliner. I mean, why? So guys, I'm going to be using this Lakme eyeliner. This is cult favorite, guys, and it's so affordable and it works very good. Why do I look like a clown? I mean, I'm looking at my mirror, I look kind of okay, and then I look at the camera and I'm like, why do I look like this? I know I'm going to regret this. I just did for fun. Okay, so I don't know if I'm going to be creating wing. No, I don't think I'm going to be creating a wing today. So let's see. I'm just going to do a little bit mota eyeliner. That's it. Guys, I don't take this eyeliner into my inner corner because my eye get all teary and all, so I don't like it. So I'm just going to bring it in here, and then I'm going to fill the rest of it with my kajal. Maybe a small wing. That's it, just a small wing. I'm going to do that only. So for my eyes, I thought of doing a very colorful look. So I'm using this Swiss Beauty palette. I mean, I love this. It's very affordable and you have a lot of colors in this one. Just look at the color range, guys. It's beautiful. If you want to know more about this palette, I did a whole review on this palette. I'm going to link it in the description box. So first I'm going to start with my crease, and I think I'm going to be using this shade on my crease, this one, a skinish kind of color. So yeah, it's a shimmery shade. Now for more precision, I'm gonna go in with this neutral color, this skinish neutral color right here. I'm gonna take a little bit and I'm gonna define my outer crease with it. This color doesn't have a lot of pigmentation, but yeah, I can work with it. Now I'm going to be using this beautiful lilac kind of color, this one, and I'm going to be using my finger for it. Guys, but ना eyeliner पक्का रूल करने वाली हूँ. I don't know. Just going to spread it. So now I'm going to do my under eye too. For my under eye, I think I'm going to be using this beautiful purple shade. I don't know why I'm just going into all kinds of shade colors. Oh god, I may have broken my palette right now. Just going to take that purple and spread it under my eye. You see that? Guys, I just zoomed in so that you can see. This is kind of like a lilac color and I got a tinge of purple under my eye, and I think now I'm gonna highlight using this white color. I'm gonna be using this on my inner eye and also my brow bone. I haven't done my mascara, it will come later, but next is my foundation. I'm using this Maybelline Satin Skin Foundation. I'm using this because it's like a sheer coverage foundation, so that my blush just pops from under. उम्मीद तो है नहीं, but still try करने में क्या जा रहा है. मुझे लगा था कि बहुत बड़ा डिजास्टर होगा, but ठीक ठीक तो लग रहा है वैसे. Okay, so now I'm just going to apply this. I'm gonna make sure that I don't apply all of my blush. Obviously I have to blend, so I have to do that. I'm already concealed, but I don't have any dark circles, as you can see, so it was not kind of like a disadvantage to me. But many people apply concealer before they apply the foundation, so it's really up to you. I'm going to be using this beauty blender. Okay, do you guys see this? I can see my blush from under my foundation, and yeah, I think this side is looking really good. I never thought this one would be success. I think I need more foundation. I haven't applied any to my neck. Next in the list is it's a highlighter. So I'm gonna be using the shade from my eyeshadow palette only. And yeah, let's highlight. You see that? So guys, buy a palette which have all kinds of, you know, shades. You can save a lot of money. I mean, I prefer that. मेरे पास इतने पैसे तो है नहीं कि मैं सब कुछ खरीद सकूं. खुद के पैसों से अब खरीदूंगी तब खरीदूंगी सब कुछ. खरीदना तो है, सब कुछ खरीदूंगी जरूर. Some on my forehead and my cheek. Just going to be putting some product. You just smile so you can see where your, the apple of your cheek starts. From there, you start applying your highlighter and then just go and join it with your eyebrow. I learned it on YouTube and this looks really good. And just spread it till here. Just blend it really well. See that? You get a very natural kind of glow. You go with my beauty blender and just mix everything. God, I'm loving that glow. Some on my cupid's bow and some on my chin too. Get the chin glow. Next is lips. For my lips, I have two lipsticks right here. This one is from Faces Canada and this is a gorgeous brown shade, as you can see. So I'm just going to apply this. Lipstick is the only thing that you can apply at any time. You can apply it on whenever you want, like after foundation, before starting your makeup. It's your wish. It doesn't make any difference, guys. Okay, see that? That's what happens if you talk while applying your lipstick. So I'm gonna top it off with this Maybelline Color Pop lipstick. I think I use this in every video because this is like the perfect lipstick to mix with other lipsticks. Because this is such a neutral and very nude shade. It is little like light pink. It can go with anything, so you can just mix and make your own colors. I'm gonna apply mascara. Mascara क्या होता है? Mascara. So let's do it. I tend to hurt myself a lot when applying mascara. गाइस मैं कुछ बोलूँ नहीं क्योंकि मुझे बहुत कंसंट्रेट करने की ज़रूरत है. See that it just gives instant kind of lift to your mascara, to your eyelashes. So mascara is also done. Now my favorite part, compact. मतलब इतना तेली हो गया है ना मेरा फेस. मतलब मैं वैसे भी हूँ ऑयली स्किन टेक्सचर की, ऊपर से इतना सारा लिक्विड प्रोडक्ट. सो आई नीड समथिंग मैटिफाई एवरीथिंग लाइक. एंड गाइस जितना बुरा सोचा था उतना निकला नहीं है. इट लुक्स काइंड ऑफ ओके. मतलब बहुत ज़्यादा अच्छा भी नहीं है बट as I said, it's just for fun, guys. You can try this at home. It is very fun actually. Just going to apply. गाइस सबसे जो नेक्स्ट स्टेप है प्राइमर। इतना सब करने के बाद नाउ आई नीड प्राइमर। Why yaar? I'm going to be using this aloe vera gel. This works exactly like a primer, so I use this. मुझे नहीं लगता मेरे इतने पोर्स वगैरह है नहीं तो मुझे प्राइमर की ज़रूरत नहीं, तो आई हैव दिस, तो आई यूज़ दिस ओनली। आई एम जस्ट गोइंग टू, अरे यार मेरे को नहीं लगाना, अच्छे से गर्म कर देती इसको, बहुत कम जितना। जस्ट गोइंग टू प्रेस इट ऑन माई स्किन। हाँ मुझे इसका स्मेल बहुत पसंद है एलोवेरा का, जस्ट लव इट। तो बुरा तो लग नहीं रहा है वैसे। एंड लास्ट बट नॉट द लीस्ट, सेटिंग स्प्रे। दिस जस्ट केम इन लाइक, सेटिंग स्प्रे वैसे भी हमेशा लास्ट में यूज़ करता है और अभी लास्ट में, सो या इसकी बहुत स्ट्रॉन्ग स्मेल है गाइस, इसकी बहुत ज़्यादा स्ट्रॉन्ग स्मेल, बट आई लव दिस setting spray. So with that we have finished this video. As you can see, this turned out to be pretty good. I thought it would be a disaster, but मुझे उम्मीद नहीं थी कि इतना अच्छा लगेगा। I mean ज़्यादा डिफरेंस लग नहीं रहा है मेरे को जब पहले से करते थे और अब लाइक पहले वाले रूटीन में करते थे, अब वाले रूटीन में करती हूँ, बट आई लाइक इट। एंड गाइस इफ यू सी माई हेयर, आई डिड सम heatless curls. I mean they didn't came out pretty well, but I'm gonna try it again and again, and then when I like get perfect in it, I'm gonna be uploading a video not on YouTube, on my IGTV. So make sure you follow me on Instagram, and if you did like this video then give it a huge thumbs up and comment down below. And if you're new here, hi, I'm Annamol. Subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon for more notifications. Stay tuned, stay safe, bye bye.